Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're taking a look at the new Noble Gurnie Flap for the 2015 to present STIs or STI Wing equipped WRXs. Let's go. If you're looking for some additional spice to add to your STI style rear wing, then this just might be a product for you. Introducing the Noble Gurnie Flap with fins. Choose between an ABS plastic construction that's paint matched to all of the standard colors of your car, or a high gloss carbon fiber look like the one on our in-house VB chassis WRX. No matter if your car is a 2015 to 21 WRX or a 2022 plus VB chassis car, as long as your vehicle is equipped with a factory style STI wing, this Gurnie Flap will fit. Let's talk about if you don't have a standard color like our Hyper Blue STI here. Noble still gives you some great options to choose from, like our sparkly D4S, matte black, or this cool gloss black with red pinstripe. That's pretty dope. No matter which color you choose, this Gurnie Flap is ready to install right out of the box with the provided 3M tape. To learn more about proper 3M installation, click on the link in the description for 3M All the Things, where we show you how to install parts like this like a pro. So thanks for taking a look at the Noble Gurnie Flap for STI style wings. For more parts just like this plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.